Let's keep all the furniture in one room.
Would you like to see me base jump with Andy Lewis on this episode of How Not to Highline?
How Not to Highline.
Me too.
Me too. Welcome to the GGB YNet 2019. Here we are.
Yes, we are on the GGB net. And Sylvan's going to PCA us from up there. And we just had a wingsuit fly through, and we're going to go hang out with him down there.
I need you just like that.
I'm just going to let go.
So now,
I'm just letting go.
That's fine. So now let's do a little interview.
All right.
Hey guys, welcome to How Not to Highline.
Fuck me.
I've got Ryan Jenks here.
Fuck me.
You can see how he did this in our next episode of How Not to Highline. Are you ready, Sylvan?
Ready.
Jenks, are you ready?
Oh, maybe.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Oh, yeah! Oh! Oh! Wow! Wow!
Yeah!
Fly, baby, fly!
That's it, yeah!
Wow!
Nice.
Oh, this is a gateway drug to base jumping.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come into here. I'm gonna get a nice stall for us.
We're both landing on our feet, right?
Yeah, when I surge, you're gonna feel it, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm coming in nice, flat turn.
Where the shadow is?
Yep, exactly.
Wow. 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 Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Surge it. Surge it.
Yeah! Nice, dude.
We did it! Whoa, look at that net!
Nice job, man. We got our feet under us and everything. Sick.
I love you, man.
Great.
Mwah. That is gnarly. Oh my God. Oh! Wow.
Nice.
We're down. I've never been down here.
Well, we tried to stand at the landing. We got a little bit of a 1-2, but we missed the boulder, right?
we missed the boulder. But
that's how you do it here at the TWY. You can check out the space net up there. That's what we just jumped off of.
Where are we?
Yeah.
Wow.
How'd you like it?
That is.
It's a pretty intense feeling.
It's intense. All right. It's intense at the beginning.
Yeah.
But then as soon as you feel the parachute open, which is a lot sooner than a rope swing, which is what I'm used to,
yeah.
You instantly feel better.
Instantly, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was great.
But like, obviously, if you're comfortable with canopy flying, then.
That
but like,
so
if you're not, there's a lot of fucking talus here, you know?
There is a lot of talus, and man, we just saw that wingsuit fly by.
Oh my God.
All jonesed off that. That was crazy.
I don't know what got my heart going more, the wingsuit or this.
Oh, definitely. Climbing around the net.
Climbing around the world's
scariest
hardest rope course.
Yeah, it's definitely weird trying to like get up and then like move and.
So if you want a tandem base jump, it's something he does now with, what's the company called?
It's called Base Jump Moab right here. Bam.
Clever
Base
name.
Jump Moab, yeah. At Base Jump Moab. You guys can come check it out. Come take the leap. Go huck yourselves, guys.
Yeah. And sign up and jump off a cliff with him.
Absolutely.
It's pretty awesome.
And then you can see videos on Instagram. You can see videos on YouTube. Base Jump Moab.
What's different about this? Is the canopy bigger?
Canopy's bigger. We're attached to each other. We do a military static line style, and then we have landing areas just like this, where it's a little sandy, a little rocky. You got to
super good enough landing zones.
Yeah, you got to be a little bit of a technical canopy pilot. So we've teamed up with the best manufacturers in the world.
And then you, as the passenger, get to be the cameraman.
Heck yeah, and what I could do here is actually loosen up your walls.
That would be amazing to get blood back in my balls. Therefore, you shouldn't be base jumping.
Therefore, yeah, exactly.